Model 1400 rotating adjustable angle davits. The Model 1400 rotating davits have a safe working load of 250 pounds per pair. This means they're capable of lifting most 10-foot dinghies with up to a 9.9 horsepower outboard. The davits include a 7-to-1 block and tackle, as well as 70 feet of XLE yacht line for each davit. We include a universal rail mount casting, as well as a swivel base. The rail casting will easily connect to rails ranging in diameter from 7/8 to 1 1/4 inches. The locking collar is unique to the Model 1400 and Model 1900 rotating davits. Align the keyway type castings during installation to stop the davits from rotating when the dinghy isn't connected to them. Our universal rail casting can attach to the top of rails, to the bottom of rails, can also attach vertically to stanchions or tubing of different angles. You can remove the davit by simply lifting it up and removing one bolt at the base. Visit our website to learn more. Click Products, Dinghy Davits, scroll down to the Model 1400 rotating, which will bring you to the product page. Below the main description of the product, you'll find a table with current pricing, as well as other options available.